Hi guys, so I'm gonna play new construction thingy lab. I would have made a video way too long. So we're just be playing it. Yeah, I'm playing the lab. I will just get out. But yeah, so I'll just cut to the video. Bye. Alright, now we're here, construction site. So this is just tag basically.
Yeah.
So,
hey, get back here.
You! I used to be a sweat at this. Die! I think I just broke every single bone in my body.
Always do it right in the face.
Alright guys, today's video I'm gonna be doing this completely crazy swing shot. Let's go. Oh crap, that's not good. Get out! Hey, my cheats. Take it, yeah. I don't know what to really do about this. There's really nothing there.
Reverse the last person.
Okay. But this is not even doing this map.
Or are you Irish?
Okay, I'm showing pieces of my home. Oh crap.
Are they not here?
Can I see that? There should be in the middle now. Shit. So it's just a creator map, but I'm gonna cut it.
I think I saw one over there.
So whenever I'm going to playground, just see why. Alright, now we're in playground, and I'm gonna explain what. There's also a motivator thing. But you might be wondering what the heck, why are we in playground? You'll see. So if you just type in the code, chainsaw. Boom, there's a chainsaw. This was only supposed to be on used for creative mode. I'll put the message on the screen. The message on the screen. Jack and Nathan made it so you can do it in play mode. Look. Manual creative mode, but it takes up lots of coding. It's just a creeper's best friend. So if you're a creeper, get this chainsaw. It's only 800 buck coins.
No one can get
I don't think it's bannable. Oh yeah, it is bannable to grief. But you have to ask the... I'm just gonna show them look. See, it can destroy any kind of block, so look. Look. Damn. Give me a block. There's a block? I bet. See? Oh, I can't destroy this block. Wait, just didn't get rid of it. Oh no, there's so many blocks and I only have like 2 minutes to mark this die. Boom! Chainsaw. Oh no, I want to get rid of this. All these ice cubes. Kaboom! Gone. Destroys any block in existence. Even tech webs, I'm pretty sure.
Yo, I just need to get the promo code machine. I need to delete it. Please.
Sorry.
I just need promo code machine.
Okay. Reef! Reef! You can grief this. Can I grief this? Wait, can I grief this?
Huh?
Can I
Oh
grief
yeah, you
this?
can break everything else. I just wanted to, promo.
Okay, I'm just gonna grief everything now. Oh, that's rare. Okay. I hope this is not bannable what I'm doing. I asked the owner. Well, yeah. The one who copied this map. So that's probably just the X. Kaboom! Yeah, the map is super cool. I'll put a picture of where you can buy the the chainsaw at. So that's the end of the video, guys. Bye. Here's the end of the video, but here's the chainsaw. You can buy it. It's 800 buck coins. Boom! The doors are so it's only 800. You gotta get all this stuff. So, bye.